我喜欢站在夕阳下的黄昏，偶尔的微风吹走心中的灰尘，来来往往的人潮编织我的幻想，点点滴滴的过往重回心上。我习惯坐在一个人的房间，收拾着昨天带不走的眷恋，平平淡淡的光阴，似水流年着转变，纷纷扰扰的世界，明明有人指点。我要去的方向，我想象的梦想，我不知疲倦的流浪，还有用不完的轻狂。我要走的路上，我挂念的姑娘，我伸出坚定的手掌，还有快要失去的模样，我止不住的回望。坐在一个人的房间，收拾着昨天带不走的眷恋，平平淡淡的光阴，似水流年着转变，纷纷扰扰的世界，明明有人指点。我要去的方向，我想象的梦想，我不知疲倦的流浪，还有用不完的轻狂。我要走的路上，我挂念的姑娘，我伸出坚定的手掌，还有快要失去的模样。我要去的方向，我想象的梦想，我不知疲倦的流浪，还有用不完的轻狂。我要走的路上。
Every time. Every time. I don't mess with them anymore. I just cut them off.
Right.
The nut.
It's always about having the right tool, right?
Yeah.
If you have the right tool, everything's much easier. Dad's how that screwdriver is trying to use it to chisel or something.
No, you'll be here all day with a chisel.
Get the right tool. Shiny chrome is an interesting choice.
Huh. What do you have before, nickel? Nickel plated?
It's a rental.
Just because they're rental doesn't mean can't have nice things.
I know, but I just have to keep telling myself that.
Actually, yesterday I went to do an estimate to rent a property the owner was moving back in. They, I guess they had new appliances, and everything was supposedly brand new in 2018, right?
Right.
So they were having me do an estimate on cleaning the grout on the tile, like tiny little chips on the tile, like you could barely see them. Like you technically a magnifying glass, you would have needed to see them.
Right.
They were complaining about that.
Super picky, yeah.
Oh yeah, like glass top on the stove. There's a few scratches in there. They're like, it was brand new in 2018. I'm like, they wanted a brand new range just because there were a few scratches on the top. The fridge, you know, where the water dispenser, you know, when you put your cup in there, sometimes, I mean, you're gonna get scratches there, right?
Sure.
They were complaining about that, and then they were gonna bill the tenant for a brand new fridge just because there were a few scratches on the water dispenser thing. I'm like, what the heck? I mean, you should have heard these people.
People are so wasteful. I mean, super wasteful.
Unbelievable. But yeah, they were complaining about everything, and I'm like, this is normal wear and tear. And they had 3 tenants since 2018, so it wasn't like it was just one
Right,
person.
One guy,
Yeah.
destroying it, yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, there you go. It's crazy.